Breathing myth number 4 is that breathing more increases body oxygen levels. The vast majority of people, if they were to measure their oxygen saturation, would measure between 95 to 99%. This is the normal range. This is where we want to be. If we start taking big, deep breaths, these numbers are not going to substantially change. We can't really affect those by breathing more air. However, when we start to hyperventilate, we don't increase these numbers, but we do exhale too much carbon dioxide. And so when we exhale carbon dioxide, we see the vasoconstriction that we've talked about and the reduced Bohr effect. And so by breathing more air, as your breathing volume goes up, your body oxygenation actually comes down. So breathing truth number 4 is that breathing more decreases cellular oxygenation. So if you want to increase the amount of oxygen available to your cells, the best thing to do is to just simply slow down your breathing. We can categorize most people into 2 groups. We have the better breathers, which is less than 10% of people, and we have the overbreathers, which is more than 90% of the people. And this dividing line here is a control pause of 25 seconds. Now, if you're not familiar with the control pause, there is an entire mini course that will show you how to measure your control pause. It's an incredible tool to know where your health stands, not just your breathing health, but your general level of health. It gives you a great idea of how healthy you are. Overbreathers will tend to have low energy levels and poor quality sleep. They will have poor cellular oxygenation, and when they hyperventilate, they're going to see vasoconstriction. And so if you are in a yoga class and you are an overbreather and you're told to do an exercise like breath of fire where you're breathing heavily, you are going to experience vasoconstriction and reduced blood flow and reduce oxygenation of the cells. And so people in this group should never breathe through the mouth, even when exercising. Better breathers, on the other hand, are going to have stable energy levels and quality sleep. They're going to have better cellular oxygenation, and they can handle short-term hyperventilation without necessarily having vasoconstriction. And so people in this group, if they go to a yoga class and they're asked to do breath of fire, are okay to do those types of exercises because they're not going to see those negative effects. Also, people in this better breathers group can get away with opening their mouth on occasion at max exertion when they're working out without seeing the negative effects as well. And so working to get from this overbreathers group up to this better breathers group can make a huge difference in your energy levels, your sleep quality, and just your general level of health.